What up, peeps? It's another QBT with Triche.
And I'm Triche, though. Wanna try that again?
Yep.
Who are you?
Miche.
Okay, I'm Triche. Wow, haven't even hit the sauce today, eh?
Nope. I wish I had an excuse for that.
Right? Okay. Well, that's okay. We all know who we are.
We do.
Because you should be watching, liking, and subscribing. There's my plug.
Yeah, good one.
Shameless.
Good
Thank
one.
you.
That was
Thank
shameless, but I loved it.
you. Okay.
Yeah.
So you know, the foodie frenzy continues.
Mm-hmm.
I was on Facebook the other day. Not really on it, scrolling. Really, I was on Facebook Marketplace. I don't actually go on Facebook. I'm terrible with it. And I saw, because you know I love ice cream. Despite my lactose issues, love me some ice cream. And I saw this thing for one mason jar ice cream with like 4 ingredients. So naturally,
That's what I like.
I'm like, I could get down with that. So mason jar, and it's so simple. It appears to be so simple. Salt, vanilla extract, heavy cream, and if you live in Canada, heavy cream, the equivalent is whipped cream, and some sugar, and a pinch of salt, and that's it.
Okay.
So it takes like 2 seconds to make, and then we shake, 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 dun, 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 shake, 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 shake your booty. We should have to shake along to.
That did not look appropriate.
Oh, don't be like that. Anyways, yes.
Nope.
No. There's no way to make that look right.
Nope.
So you shake for 5 minutes, and then you freeze for 3 hours. I haven't made ice cream in a really long time. Do you remember when
Your debacle?
actually, before what is it, 1 cup each? Before we get to the debacle, it was, no, do you remember when Mom bought that ice cream maker?
Yep. It was blue. I still remember it.
Back in the day, and it required like a million bags of ice.
And salt.
And yes, and then you had to keep stirring it and stirring it.
Thanks for serving me.
You're welcome.
Okay.
And then it only made like 2 cups of ice cream, and it was ridiculous. My lord.
Gosh.
And yes, I forgot. I had an ice cream maker too. 1 cup and 1 cup.
Yeah.
Man, they don't make a lactose-free version of whipped cream, do they?
I have no idea what would that even be. It would probably be something nasty. It couldn't be the same.
Whipped cream? Is that a thing?
I don't know, but it couldn't be the same.
Okay. Well,
It would never be the same. Okay, so we've got
a cup, a teaspoon, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar.
Okay.
Do you know how long I've had these measuring spoons?
No, tell me, Triche.
I heard it. Asshole. I heard it. 1 and 1. Yeah, I heard it. Anyways, whatever. I've had them for almost 23 years.
Really?
Yep. Yep. Isn't that crazy?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And why do you know that it's very specific?
It is very
23?
specific.
Is that because you're eldest son? Are you doing it based on his age?
Yeah, it was a wedding gift.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so we don't need it that sweet, right? It's supposed to be like 1.5. So this is like
What did you just put in mine?
the same thing I put in yours. Sugar. It's sugar. What do you mean?
I know it's sugar.
Well, it was supposed to be
but
1.5
how much?
tablespoons, so that was a 1/2 tablespoon piece. And now 1.5
Okay.
teaspoons of vanilla. You're watching me. What's the problem?
Just
You
seemed
put
like
poison
a
in
lot.
yours?
No, it just seemed like a lot went in there. Maybe you just weren't paying attention. I don't
No,
know.
I can whistle and ride. Anyways,
Oh, vanilla smells so good, but I wish there was a West Indian vanilla.
okay, so I have like a bourbon vanilla. Remember when I was during COVID, when I was into baking hard, and I invested in like real vanilla? Because this is only ice cream, and I'm not saying you're not worth it, but
I think you kind of did. Why didn't we use the bourbon to give it a little?
because it's like $10 for like the small jar.
So I'm not worth it. That's what she just said, folks. $10 for the small jar, and she doesn't want to waste it on me. All right, I see you.
This is more liquidy. It will shake better. 'cause that one's thicker.
Yeah.
one's
That's
thicker.
it. Even though you're shaking it up for 5 minutes. Okay.
Shake, shake, shake.
Mhm. Pinch of salt.
Yeah, pinch of salt. Okay, that's seemingly a pinch.
No, I wasn't going to use all this for me. No, I wasn't going to use
You think it's that? Okay. I guess that's a pinch with your... Nothing with your slender and pretty fingers. Well, don't over... Okay.
No, it's fine.
That's good. Okay,
Here,
and that's
I
supposed
just
to be it.
watch. The salt is there. Don't.
Don't want to look at the table.
No, just when you pick up the napkin. Dang that.
Okay, 5 minutes. Are you looking?
Are you?
I am now. That sounds very sloshy. What?
Out of bed. Put up the hand.
All you can hear is look,
Put up the
ding,
hand.
ding, ding,
I know.
bangles. Bleepity bleep. Yo, 5 minutes is it's a long time to shake.
Yeah. That's okay.
Is it?
So
The
anyhow.
workout. So anyhow, shake, shake, shake. What are you singing?
Shake all the Smarties all around.
What?
Shake, shake.
Nope. Not within my time frame, my friend. Really? Was that a commercial?
Yes,
No.
the Smarties.
Don't remember that. I'm sorry. That's a
When they used to show the Smarties like in the box, and they'd be like shaking them.
to what end?
Shake the Smarties all around.
No.
Really?
Really?
I need to look that up after.
Truly.
Because that is a real
No,
thing.
I was doing shake, 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 and all that makes me think it was that episode of The Simpsons.
Shake your
Remember when they're showing all the naked
your
scenes?
booty.
You know, it's not Studio 6 minute. Like, no, I'm just saying it was The Simpsons episode that made me think of it. How long do you think it's been?
30 seconds.
I think I need to see my second thought. No, it was like a minute. Ha! And I do remember what ice cream you're talking about. When I tried making ice cream with the Baileys.
Yes.
Ooh. That's what we're gonna.
That's where we're gonna top her off with.
Yeah.
The
With some
Baileys
salted caramel. The salted caramel one that we had the other day. Yeah, that'll do.
or Grand Marnier. Grand Marnier and vanilla ice cream.
I'm not into the Grand Marnier so much.
It's the only thing that I like really love it on.
No, there's that one. There's the peppermint one that's really good. What's that other one where you mix it together? It comes in a jar and it's like white on one side.
Yes.
And
Is it Grand Marnier?
Is
It's something dark. But I
It
don't
is
know
dark
if
on
it's-
one side and like a
Yes.
cream on the other, and then you pour them
Do they
together.
still make that?
I want to say yes.
It's all in the same. It's all in the same bottle.
Yeah, it's very pretty. Do you remember Frangelico? It used to in the brown bottle. It had like the time it looked like a monk.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
I
Yes.
do like that one. Okay. All right, I'm getting tired.
What do you go to the gym for? You shouldn't be tired.
You know, I've got the bicep issue right now.
So then why wouldn't you use your other arm then?
Because it's weak. I've been alternating. Anyways, do you remember when I made the ice cream with Bailey's? So here's a key and a little trick, because otherwise I would have naturally spiked this up right now. Liquor doesn't freeze. And it was the electric maker one, so much
Yep.
easier. And I thought, ooh, I'm gonna substitute half of the cream that you were supposed to use with the Bailey's. And then it was spinning because you just leave it to spin on its own and do its own thing. And then when I went back into the kitchen to check, it was all like overflowing because it wasn't freezing. It was just slushing and melting, and it was coming out. And of course, I don't believe in wasting liquor. That is a sin. So watch cardinal sin. So watch me there with like cups and stuff trying to like spoon it in and lick it up and lap it. Oops, sorry. And then it was kind of like a Bailey's smoothie slush. It was really good still. And the ice cream, like once you scooped it out and put it in the freezer, it still never fully melt, but it was always like, you know when the ice cream it's been sitting out for a minute and it starts to get that nice little melt on. So that was it. I feel like this is a lot of shaking. And I know you're supposed to do it really simple so that you don't have to use other things, but couldn't we have used like, I don't know, an emulsion
Little
blender?
blender.
Yeah. For like 5 minutes or a few minutes, put it in the bullet. No, the whole point is you're supposed to be able to just use one, not dirty up a whole bunch of things and do it yourself. My lord. Okay, I think we've got like another 1 or 2 minutes to go.
One or two. You should know where we are.
I did, but it's like little lines now. I think that's like 1 more minute.
Sweetie,
Yeah. No, don't sweetie me.
you can just use a timer.
How about this? Why didn't you put on a timer? Who stopped you from timing?
You just said, "Oh, okay, I'm gonna start it."
Yeah,
so I
okay.
figured you had it under control.
Well, if you had such a brilliant
Clearly not.
suggestion, you could have said that then. It's not like you can overshake it. I don't think.
I'm more concerned with the undershaking.
No, definitely won't. I definitely wouldn't undershake it. I feel like we're coming up on it.
So it never occurred to you though about the whole alcohol doesn't freeze, like
No.
when you always see people putting vodka in the freezer.
No, because that's vodka. Vodka I get, but this is because it has milk and stuff in it. I kind of thought, it's a bit of an exception. It's not.
No,
It's not.
no.
Which is funny because how come when you put like you put a beer in there in a glass jar, because I'm always concerned about the glass part and shattering in the freezer or something. When you put a beer in, does it not explode? Why are you blank staring at me? Because you don't know? I know you don't drink beer.
Exactly.
I'm aware of this,
So
but still,
why?
no one's ever put a beer in your
Unless
fridge or
it's a
freezer.
shandy. I haven't had a shandy in a minute. Oh,
It has
yeah.
been a minute for a shandy. Okay, now I'm very confident. It's been 5 minutes.
Okay, well, I am very much looking forward to what this is going to taste like. Even though I'm sure it could have tasted better with bourbon vanilla.
Again, if you didn't know, you wouldn't know what you didn't know, so you would appreciate it nonetheless. Yeah? The next time we can do the special vanilla. Ooh, you could eat it with lemon ice. I wonder if we'd like it, like taste lemon sherbety, because I also have like a lemon extract. Look at me getting fancy.
You are getting fancy.
Trying some things. All right.
All right.
That's
Well,
enough
that's
of
enough
shaking, whatnot.
shaking,
Yeah.
and I think that's enough of you now, too.
Yeah.
So in 3 hours, you said 3 hours,
3 hours. We'll see what
we
this
shall
tastes like.
see what this is going to turn out to be. It better be good.
Or else what?
That
Nothing.
was a lot of cream.
That got in my belly. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon when this is hopefully frozen.
It better be.
That's enough.
Hello?